All right, I call it liquid tuts. Other people just call it rails, but it's pretty much just doing liquid in straight lines. Now, I'll admit I don't practice this very much, so my angles aren't as crisp as they should be, but that just means you could do a better job. So, and I can at least show you some basics on how to do these. So, basically the angles we're gonna work on here is similar to doing tuts like this, right? So the only difference is my hands are apart, so they're like more like this, and I'm just doing a pattern just like that. Now I'll slow that down. So having your hands right here and coming just like that, and then making your arms straight up, and then just on the other side. Okay, but might be a good idea to practice at least getting these angles down, so it's easier to know where you're going with it. So the main thing about it is what I'm doing is this, and that. Now, obviously you want to keep your hands straight, probably not have your thumb out, get it off a more of a straight line, you know, but just want to learn to be able to do that, right? And also what's really important is keeping your hand relaxed. So, because I know when I first started doing this, I was squeezing tight when I was doing these, and my hands would cramp, it hurt. So nice and relaxed, and practice slow, and you'll be able to do it faster, right? So starting, we could start right here. So your hands come apart to right here, and the first move is this top hand is going to bend like that, okay? Yeah, so it'd be a good idea to practice this in a mirror once you get the basics, because you got to keep your hands straight. I know, yeah, whatever. So come up like this, bend, bend, bend. Then the next hand does like the same thing. Now at some point, this arm's gonna have to bend like that. So and yes, keep your angles straight. And I can keep going with this same path, right? But back that way. And then from here, if I go back down, so like I'm gonna go to right here. So bend here, here, down, 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 down. And then gonna go back up this way, so do, 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 do. And then gonna come right here. And then same thing going back this way, just in reverse, right? Yeah, it's hard to get those angles, right? All right, now that other thing I was doing from right here in this box. So what you do is switch your hands like that. Maybe I should step back there. So you're right here at this box, and you're pretty much gonna do this. But the only difference is you're gonna roll your hands with it. So, and then back this way. And at some point you're gonna need to switch. So I just switch like this, okay? And then back up this way. And then once you get to right here, switch again. So like that. that's about it.